products, collections, blog posts, articles, custom text. Each hotspot on this image shows a different type of content. No app, just the theme editor. Let me show you how to set this up. I'm in the theme editor on the home page. I click Add Section, scroll down to Media, and I add the Image Hotspots section. Then I click on the image picker to choose an image. Before going into the blocks, I will quickly show the section settings. I can change how the hotspot buttons look. I turn on show icon, and I push the corner radius to the max to make them round. Now I go into one of the hotspot blocks. There are two position controls, horizontal and vertical. I move them to place the hotspot where I want on the image. The most important setting is content type. It controls what appears inside the hotspot. There are 5 options: text, product, collection, blog, and article. I select product. I pick a product from a catalog, and when I hover over the hotspot, the product card appears. Now I go into the second hotspot block. I set its content type to collection. I pick a collection, and when I hover over it, it shows the collection. I will add 3 more hotspots, one for each remaining content type: blog, article, and text. Now I have all 5 on the image. Each hotspot also has layout controls: hotspot size, heading size, and text size. I set all 3 to the minimum. Here's the result on hover. Now I set all 3 to the maximum, and you can see the difference. There are more settings to explore in both the section and the blocks, but you get the idea. 5 content types, full layout control, all from the theme editor. No code, no third-party app. This is the Aries Shopify theme, and if you want to try it in your own store, the link is in the description.